Let's talk oil. You know that rule about changing your oil every 3,000 miles? Well, that's mostly only true for older vehicles. Here are 3 reasons why.
1. Improved oil chemistry. Today's oils, especially synthetic, protect engines better than ever. 2. Advanced engine technology. Tighter tolerances between engine parts make lubrication easier. And 3. Oil life monitoring systems. Now, most new vehicles will tell you when you need an oil change. So what is the right interval? Every 5,000 miles? Every 7,500? Every 10,000? The fact is, it depends on the age of your vehicle. Older vehicles may require more frequent oil changes, the type of oil you use. Synthetic performs longer than conventional. And your driving habits. Dirt, dust, and frequent cold starts require more oil changes.
Lastly, if you don't drive much, you'll need to think time instead of miles. Like every 3 months or so, depending on the age of your vehicle. Bottom line, you need to know what your owner's manual recommends, so you won't come in for an oil change too late or too early, which is good for your wallet and the environment.
So the next time your vehicle needs an oil change, bring it to the Mopar service specialist at your local Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, Fiat dealer. Mopar, at your service.